After a weekend of profit-taking, crypto markets opened Tuesday on a cautious note. Bitcoin slipped slightly to around $122,000, down about 1.5% since yesterday. Ethereum mirrored the move, retreating roughly 4% as traders locked in gains. Yet not all assets followed. Binance Coin, BNB, rose more than 2%, quietly outperforming the majors. That divergence reminds us that even within crypto, money never sleeps, it simply rotates. Behind the scenes, ETF demand remains powerful. Global inflows reached nearly $6 billion last week, a record for the sector. Institutions are still buying exposure, even as retail traders cool off after the rally. Gold, meanwhile, surged above $4,000 an ounce, a psychological milestone. The simultaneous rise in gold and Bitcoin underscores a shared theme: investors searching for hard asset safety. Futures data adds context. Open interest fell modestly, showing traders are trimming leverage, not fleeing the market. It's the pause before the next decision point, not a sign of fear. On-chain data shows fewer coins moving to exchanges and a steady decline in Bitcoin balances held on trading platforms. That pattern often signals accumulation rather than distribution. Still, macro forces can't be ignored. The US dollar strengthened slightly overnight, putting short-term pressure on risk assets. A stronger dollar tends to weigh on Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least temporarily. Technical analysts now focus on key ranges. For Bitcoin, support sits between 115 and 120,000. For Ethereum, the critical zone is 4,400 to 4,700. So far, both remain intact. The broader sentiment: controlled optimism. Markets are digesting gains, not reversing trend. Volatility has eased, leverage is lighter, and funding rates are normalizing, classic signs of consolidation. The takeaway from analysts today is simple: this isn't the end of momentum, it's maintenance. Corrections and cool-downs are how strong markets breathe. If support holds and ETF inflows continue, the next push higher could form on stronger footing. If the dollar stays firm or macro data surprises hawkish, consolidation could extend another week or two. Either way, the structure remains bullish while the crowd regains composure. Patience, not prediction, remains the winning stance. For more insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the forces moving the crypto markets, remember to like, subscribe, and keep learning, here at Crypto in Black and White.